What's up, everybody? Welcome to KICKnology. I'm your boy Truth, and I got a unboxing for you guys today. But I got a little story behind this unboxing. So before we get up into this unboxing, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm like 35, maybe 40 away from 3K. It's been a blessing, man, a complete blessing to be able to do this. 600 plus videos, you know what I'm saying, a whole bunch of content. So make sure you guys go through everything, you know what I'm saying, showing up Saturdays from the start to the finish, man. I got something special planned for you guys when I hit that 3K. But yeah, I appreciate the love and support for you guys allowing me to use my platform to share the word of God with you guys. But yeah, man, so make sure you guys go ahead and share the video, share the content, hit the notification bell, do all those great things to help me get to that 3K, man. That means that it's 3,000 people that's willing to listen to the message that I have for you guys, and I appreciate that, each and every one of you, man. So yeah, so today is gonna be an unboxing of a shoe that I hit on the live, and I still have yet to receive it, but one of my boys allowed me to review their pair, so I have a review for you guys. Not sure what's going on with mine, but it is gonna be a 350, as you guys can see on that box, man. So y'all know that what 350s have recently dropped, and I hit on Yeezy supply, and yeah, man, I haven't got my package yet. I know some people, I've talked to some other people that haven't got their packages. I just received a shipping number in the email. The money was taken out my account that day. So customer service has been super helpful, you know what I'm saying. They're saying I'm gonna get the shoes here pretty soon, so we'll see. But I just wanted to get the review out to you guys before these shoes become not relevant anymore. So as you guys can see, we got the Boost box, you know what I'm saying, in the size tag right there. We got it, and it says size 12 Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Zyon, and Zyon, man. You know what I'm saying. So y'all know what the boxes always look like. We open up the box. The shoes are already out. It's nothing in there but that paper, man. But let's see here. This box does. It did come with a, I think it was from Yeezy Supply also, and I know that Yeezy Supply has been putting these in their boxes. I don't know what that's about. Yeah, but yeah, man. So we're gonna put the box over there, and we have for you guys the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Zyon, man. This shoe is absolutely dope. In my opinion, I knew that I wanted this shoe, but to get it in hand, it really is an absolute fire shoe. And I know everybody they're kind of tired of the 350 and the 350 wave. Even though it's an earth tone shoe, I feel like this is a good colorway just to have in your collection. Not saying it's a must-have by any means, but just a good shoe to have in your collection to be able to pull and, you know, rock it whenever you want to. So let's get right up into it. Let's just go ahead and give you guys an overall 360 of the shoe, man. So as you can see on the screen, it doesn't have a pull tag on it. Some of the obvious, it doesn't have a pull tab on this one. The stripe is translucent. We have different colors and different patterns on this. We have that little, it looks like a grayish, almost black stripe going down the front of it. You have the tan sock liner. I mean, just, it's an overall dope shoe, man. So now that you guys have seen that 360, let's go ahead and get a little bit up close and personal with the shoe. So starting with the stripe, man. As you guys can see, this stripe is translucent, and that's pretty much has been the theme for the 350s over the past couple of drops. Tab on the back, you have no pull tab with that gray stitching down the butt end of it. But you know, you have the dark hues, like almost the chocolate brown hues on the back, where it looks like where a pull tab would be. Also, you have that little stripe, man. I call it that tan doodle stripe that's on the back of the 350s, you know what I'm saying. Moving on to the inner side of the shoe, you have the different patterns, the different colorways. You have like a tan, a lot of earth tones, tan, brown, dark brown, mocha brown, whatever you want to call it. And then all the way down going into the toe box, you have a dark brown, and like I said, the different patterns of the different materials with that gray stripe, that gray stitching down the middle of it, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, they just put that gray stitching down the middle of this shoe, you feel me. But you have the Boost, which is it's like a translucent almost white color, very similar to the Zebras, but as you guys can see, they will yellow ASAP. So these will yellow just like the Zebras ASAP. But like I said, you do have that tan stripe down the middle. So also looking on the bottom, of course you have that boost peeping through. You have that boost peeping through as always. And then on the inside of the shoe, you have that Adidas Yeezy in that, it's like it's almost like a sail colorway, but a little bit darker, like a gray. And then you have the 3 stripes with the dark gray liner, sock liner. So yeah, man, all in all, I think this is a dope shoe. I'm not saying that you had to have this shoe, but I can understand how the hype would have been if they would have dropped it like they originally was thinking to drop it. So I feel like the pushing back caused the hype not to be as much as it would have been. You've seen a lot of people just buying off GOAT because they didn't know when they were going to actually drop this shoe, man. But all in all, if you got your hands on it, I think it's a dope shoe. I think the resale right now is like maybe 300 depending on the size, 280, 260. So if you still, after seeing this review, if I persuaded you to get it, man, you still have an option to get it at a pretty reasonable price, man. But yeah, man, that's all I got for you guys. Let me know down in the comment section if you picked up the Yeezy 350 Zyon. Is this a must? Should the Yeezy stop? In my opinion, nice shoe. It's your boy Truth. I appreciate you guys rocking with me as always. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Wash them hands, man, and remember, the shoes behind me, this shoe right here, this Zyon right here that I just reviewed, is just bait. A way for me to share my fate. I'm gone.